Hello reception, Mr Geer here. Now today we're going to be continuing with our work on counting on. Counting on. So yesterday we did some practice when we were counting on using our numbers, and I challenged you to play a game with your parents. Remember, it went 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, 10. Now this is what we call counting on, because you are continuing to count after what the last person said. We also did a challenge where I said we're going to start with 5 and then get some extra fingers. So because we started from 5, 6, 7, we are counting on from 5. Now today we're going to continue to do that. In order to get through today's lesson, you will need a 10 frame. Now you can either use the one that I sent you in your pack, or you can make your own. Need some sort of counters. Now I'm going to use these, but you can use whatever you like. And I'm going to make a little picnic here, but I'll tell you more about the challenge a little bit later. But these two are things you're definitely going to need. So we are going to pretend to have a picnic. So I've got some of Rosie's toys here to help me. Now I'm going to get rid of some of them over here. They're not at the picnic. They're not at the picnic just yet. However, we do have Mr. Pineapple. And we do have Ellie the elephant. Okay? So, we're going to be practicing saying first, then, now. Okay? First, then, now. So, at my picnic, first, how many people were at my picnic? Let's have a look. We have 1, 2. So first there were 2 at the picnic. Now I'm going to show this on my 10 frame. I'm going to choose, how many counters do you think? Yeah, that's right. I'm going to choose 2 counters. Am I going to put the first one here? Oh no, I'm going to put it down here, aren't I? No? Here? Yeah, that's right. I'm going to put this one here and this one here. Let's just check. 1, 2. 1, 2. So, first, there were 2 people at my picnic. Then, 1 more person arrived. First, 2 people were at the picnic. Then, 1 more person arrived. There's my 1 extra. So, how many do I have at my picnic now? Well, we know how many there were to start off with, don't we? How many were there? There were 2. So do we need to count these 2 again? No, we don't, because we know that there's 2, so we can start counting from 2, can't we? So we can say 2, 3. 2, 3. And we can show this on our 10 frame as well. I'm going to add 1 more for the next person joining our picnic. So we know that we started with 2, and then we just keep counting. We count on from there. Ready? 2, 3. 2, 3. So we know that there were 3 people at the picnic. So first there were 2. Then 1 extra joined. Now there are 3. Okay. Now I'm going to swap this one for a red one so we can see. So, we'll start our new sentence again. So, now we know that there were 3. So, first, there were 3. First, there were 3. Okay, now let's see what's going to happen. Let's see who's going to arrive now. Now, we have Eeyore and a butterfly. They're both going to join the party. There they are, joining the party. I don't think he's going to sit up. But never mind, he'll stay there. So, let's see how many people we now have at our picnic. Do I need to count these ones? No, I already know how many people there were. Because remember, we said, first, there were 3. So I don't need to count these 3. I can start counting from the number 3. So, 3, 4, 5. Let's try that again. 3, 4, 5. So I now know that there must be 5 people at my picnic. Let's check on our 10 frame as well. We started with 3. I had 2 joining, so let me get 2 of these counters. Ready? There's one counter. And there's the other counter. So I've added 1, 2 for the ones that have already arrived. And we know how many we had here, didn't we? How many did we have? You're right. We had 3, didn't we? Ready? Don't need to count these again. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Well done. So we now have 5 people at our picnic. But we're not quite done. Let me swap these 2 over. So, we can now say our sentences. First, there were 3. Then 2 more joined. Now there are 5. Fantastic. That is our first, then, now sentences. Let's do one more. So, we now know that we have got 5. So we can say, first, there were 5. Let's see what's going to happen this time. Oh, we've now got the giraffe. He's going to join there. We've then got a troll and got a rattlery Paddington bear. So they're going to go in the middle. Now, when you're doing this, make sure you put them in a different place so you don't get them mixed up. Okay, so these ones that were already there are in a line. So, first, there were 5. Now, how many joined? Let's count them, shall we? Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do my counters before I forget. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So, first, there were 5. Then 3 joined. Now there are... Oh, we haven't worked that out just yet, have we? Now, do I need to count all of the ones at the back? I don't, do I? How many are there? That's right. We've got 5 back here. So I can already start counting from 5. And I've got 5 on my 10 frame to prove it. So I can start counting from 5. So I go 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's check it on our 10 frame. 5, 6, 7, 8. Absolutely. We now have 8 people at our picnic. So, first there were 5. Then 3 joined. Now there are 8. Fantastic work. Now, I've done this by making a picnic, but you can do it however you like. So here's your challenge. I would like you to create 1 or 2, or however many you'd like actually, but a minimum of 1 or 2, of these scenarios where you can say, first there were, then some more joined, now there are. So you could use balls, you could use pieces of Lego, you could use cutlery, you can use anything you can find around the house. So long as you can say, first there were, then joined, now there are. And I'd love to see you using your 10 frame to help you. Let's hope we can see all of your work on Tapestry or email it to us soon.